The speed of sound of air is 320 meters per second. A source of sound has a frequency of 640 hertz. A listener drives away from the stationary source at 60 meters per second. What frequency will the listener hear? Okay, so we need to recall the equation that we're using for this problem. The equation is the frequency of the observer, aka the frequency of from the listener, is going to be equal to the frequency of the source times the speed of sound plus the speed of the observer over speed of sound minus speed of source. Okay? So now we're going to plug in whatever we know here into this equation right here. So you have frequency of the observer is equal to frequency of the sound. And it says here that the source of sound has a frequency of 640 hertz. So it's going to be 640 multiplied by the speed of sound, which is 320, plus the velocity of the observer. So the listener, aka the observer, is driving away from the source at 60 miles per second. Therefore, the velocity is going to be negative 60 because it's away. If it's towards, it's going to be a positive 60. Okay, over the speed of sound again, 320, plus the speed of the source. Okay. It says here that the source is stationary, therefore the velocity of the source is going to be 0. So this is what you get. Now you solve this for f sub 0, which is going to give you the frequency the listener will hear. So you pull out a calculator, you plug in the numbers, 650 times 320 plus a negative 60 over 320 plus a 0. And you get 520. All right, therefore, your answer is 520 hertz.